Okay, so let us now see how the while loop actually. This is an online compiler, and I'll show you the example of what all can be included and which condition is most important while using the while loop. So, as you all know, the while loop is the testing loop, or also known as the pre-test loop. So in while loop, we include, or we say that it's a pre-test loop, while loop, or the pre-test loop. So I'll just comment this section. Okay, so while using the while loop, since the first part was that the variable that you use inside the while loop should be initialized first. That means you should give the value of the variable. Let's suppose I'm taking the variable a, and the value of a is initially 0. And let's try to just print the series of numbers from 1 till the user wants. So I'll just ask the user to enter the limit, and I'm using another variable, an integer variable, that is limit. So the user will enter the value for the limit, and now since the while loop starts with the keyword while, so you have to write while as a keyword, and in the bracket, in the conditional statement, you have to mention the condition. Let's suppose I want to print till the limit that is given by the user. Let's suppose the user gives the value of the limit to be 100. So the values till 100 will be printed. So A is earlier initialized to 0. So this is A. I will separate this statement so that it becomes more clear. So this is initialization. Initialization statement, and this is the pre-test or testing condition. Okay, so inside the while loop, first of all, it consists of the series of action that you want to do. Let's suppose I want to print the numbers from 1 till the limit. So I will just write cout the value of A. So A is incrementing. So I have to increment the value of A. And since I want the values to be printed with a tab, and then the series of action will also include the increment or decrement portion. So the third statement was, in the while loop, you have to include whether you want to increment, or you can go decrement portion also. So whether you want to increment the value of A or decrement the value of A. Now let's see what the output is. So if I run this code, first of all, it will ask the limit for the user. Let's suppose the user gives the value to be 10. So all the values starting from 0 till 10 will be printed. So this is how the loop goes on. It will test the condition of A, and then it will print the values.